I want to work from home, teach what you know, and get paid? In this video, I'll show you the top 3 platforms to teach and earn online in 2025. No degree needed. You already have skills people want to learn, whether it's your native language, music, or just great conversation. The barrier to entry is lower than ever, and you can start this week. Imagine earning from your living room, connecting with students worldwide, and being your own boss. Today, I'll break down Preply, Italki, AmazingTalker, and a bonus platform, Cambly, for the fastest start. I'll give you the blueprint, from setting up your profile to landing your first student. Let's dive in. First up is Preply, a global marketplace for tutors in hundreds of subjects, not just languages. No degree or certificate required for most subjects. Your expertise and passion are what matter. You control your schedule and set your own rates. Students book lessons that fit your availability, and Preply handles all payments securely. Start by creating a standout profile. Upload a friendly photo, write a catchy headline, and record a short intro video. Set your rate a bit lower at first to attract students and build reviews, then raise it as you grow. Don't just wait. Use Preply's student search to message students directly and fill your schedule fast. The platform rewards great tutors, so focus on delivering value and collecting positive reviews. If you want to get started quickly, Preply is the place to be. Check the link in the description to sign up and support the channel. You could land your first student this week. Let's move to the next platform. Next is Italki, perfect if you're fluent in a language and want to teach it. You can join as a community tutor, no degree needed, or a professional teacher if certified. Students here are motivated and want real conversation practice. Set your own rates and offer anything from casual chats to structured lessons. The audience is highly targeted, but competition can be tough, especially for popular languages. Create a detailed profile and intro video to stand out. If you love language and culture, Italki is a great place to build a loyal student base. Watch for open applications and apply fast. Third is AmazingTalker, a fast-growing platform, especially in Asia, but expanding globally. Teach languages, academic subjects, or hobbies, total flexibility. Their AI matches you with students, and the onboarding is quick and supportive. Set your own prices, offer short trial lessons, and use their analytics to optimize your profile. The transparent review system helps you build credibility fast. If you like data-driven growth and want a supportive environment, AmazingTalker is a smart choice. The student pool is fresh and growing, definitely worth considering for 2025. Bonus platform, Cambly. It's all about instant, casual English conversation. No lesson planning, no curriculum, just log in and chat with students from around the world. Get approved fast and start earning by the minute. Perfect for flexible, entry-level side income. Pay is lower than other platforms, but you can work anytime, even for just 15 minutes. Cambly Kids pays a bit more if you like working with children. No teaching experience needed. Just be a native English speaker and a good conversationalist. Great for building confidence and testing if online teaching is for you. Use Cambly to get started, then move to other platforms as you grow. Zero risk, instant start. So those are the best platforms to start teaching online in 2025. Preply is my top pick for beginners. Huge demand, flexible subjects, and fast results. Don't wait. Take action now. Use the link below to sign up and get started. Pick one platform and commit for 30 days. Create a great profile, apply daily, and deliver your first lessons like a pro. Momentum is everything. Start today, not someday. For a step-by-step Preply setup guide, watch the full video on InspireHer ELITE and subscribe for more earning from home tips. Ready to teach? Click the link, sign up, and I'll see you inside.